In today's digital age, cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, posing significant risks to businesses worldwide, and the use of artificial intelligence is only increasing that evolution. Traditional security measures are no longer enough to protect sensitive data. Organizations need a robust framework to safeguard their digital assets, as well as consider the impact of artificial intelligence in their company. Enter ISO 42001, the international standard for artificial intelligence management. This comprehensive framework helps organizations manage and mitigate cyber risks effectively. By adopting 42001, you demonstrate a commitment to cybersecurity excellence. Enhance your organization's reputation and trustworthiness with 42001 certification in relation to an artificial intelligence management system. Improve risk management and reduce the likelihood of cyber incidents. Gain a competitive edge in the marketplace by showcasing your commitment to considerations of artificial intelligence in your company. ISO 42001 certification not only boosts your credibility, but also reassures clients and partners of your dedication to safeguarding their data. It's a strategic move that can open doors to new business opportunities and enhance trust with your customers. 42001 outlines a systematic approach to managing artificial intelligence. It involves risk assessment, policy development, and continuous monitoring. The standard emphasizes the importance of employee training and awareness to ensure a secure digital environment. By implementing 42001, organizations can create a culture of security and trust. This proactive approach not only protects against threats, but also fosters a sense of responsibility among employees, making cybersecurity a shared goal. With over 25 years of experience in cybersecurity, Arrakis Consulting is your ideal partner for 42001 certification. We offer tailored training programs to help you achieve certification and maintain an effective cybersecurity framework. Arrakis Consulting also supports numerous clients that have already integrated artificial intelligence in a safe manner. Our experts provide ongoing support, ensuring your cybersecurity measures remain robust and up to date. Trust Arrakis Consulting to guide you through the certification process and beyond, securing your digital future. By adopting 42001, you'll fortify your organization's posture as it related to artificial intelligence. Contact Arrakis Consulting today to start your journey towards certification. Together, we can build a safer digital environment for your business. Let's recap. We've explored the evolving cyber threats, the benefits of 42001, and how Arrakis Consulting can assist you. By taking action now, you'll protect your assets and gain a competitive advantage. By embracing 42001, you'll not only secure your organization, but also enhance its reputation, increase efficiency in a safe manner, increase trust with your clients, and open new business avenues. It's a strategic investment in your digital future. Don't wait for an incident to occur. Reach out to Arrakis Consulting today and take the first step towards ISO 42001 certification and a safer artificial intelligence environment. Let's secure your digital landscape together. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.